Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Microsoft sign-in page in a browser or the app. Enter the email, phone, or Skype name you use for the account. This identifies which account you'll access. Once done, click Next so Microsoft can prompt for your password or verification. Make sure your device clock and internet are correct, because authentication relies on them. If you use a work or school account, you may be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Follow that immediately. You now enter your password and press Sign In. Type slowly and use the Show option if characters look wrong. If Microsoft asks for two-step verification, choose the method you set up. Enter the code from the Authenticator app, receive an SMS, or approve a notification. Make sure you recognize the device before approving. If you prefer convenience on a private device, tick Keep Me Signed In. Otherwise, leave it unchecked for security, especially on public computers. Once signed in, verify your profile avatar or email appears in the corner to confirm success. If a prompt asks to update security info or accept terms, complete those steps now so access remains uninterrupted. If sign-in fails, try Forgot Password or Account Recovery to reset credentials. Follow the verification steps precisely. As a quick fix, clear browser cache and cookies or use a different browser or private window. These actions often resolve persistent sign-in errors when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.